Hello and welcome students to FHSS English Digital Class for Standard 7. This is your English teacher Swarnali Roy, and today we are going to start the third chapter of English literature named The Trojan War. The Trojan War is taken from the ancient Greek epic poem The Iliad by Homer, published in 762 BC. The Iliad is set during the Trojan War, the 10-year siege of the city of Troy by Greeks. The Trojan War was a war between the Greeks and the Trojans. This all happened after Paris of Troy took Helen from her husband, the king of Sparta Menelaus. The Trojan War is one of the most important events to have occurred in Greek mythology and has been told in many works of Greek literature, the most notable being Homer's Iliad. The war took place for 10 long years. The reason of the Trojan War is the golden apple that was flung in the banquet by the goddess of discord Eris. It was marked for the fairest. Soon after this, there was a quarrel among the three prominent goddesses in Greek mythology, who are named Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, regarding who actually deserves the title of being the fairest. Ultimately, the king of gods, Zeus, took the three goddesses to the prince of Troy, Paris, who was known to have good judgment. Paris elected Aphrodite as the rightful bearer of the title of being the fairest, and she promised him the most beautiful woman of earth, Queen Helen, who was already married to the king of Sparta, Menelaus. Homer was the most important and earliest of the ancient Greek writers. He is the first source to look for information on Greek myth and religion. Yet, despite his prominence, we have no firm evidence about him. The name Homer, which is an unusual one for the time, is thought to mean either blind or captive. Homer's name will always be linked with the Trojan War, as it is a great source of information about the Greek myths and literature. Now, let's understand a little bit regarding what the story is all about. In Greek mythology, the Trojan War was waged against the city of Troy by the Greeks after Paris, the prince of Troy, took Queen Helen from her husband Menelaus, the king of Sparta. Sparta was located in Greece. The war is of the most important events in Greek mythology. The war originated from a quarrel between the goddesses Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, after Eris, the goddess of discord, gave them a golden apple, sometimes known as the apple of discord, marked for the fairest. Zeus sent the goddesses to Paris, who judged goddess Aphrodite as the fairest and gave her the apple. In exchange, Aphrodite made Helen, the most beautiful of all women and wife of Menelaus, fall in love with Paris, who took her to Troy. Agamemnon, king of Mycenae and brother of Helen's husband Menelaus, and another king, Odysseus, who was the king of Ithaca, led an expedition of Greek troops to Troy and besieged the city for 10 years. Ultimately, the city of Troy fell to the attack of the Trojan horse. It was the Trojan horse through which the Greeks entered Troy and ultimately destroyed it, leading to bloodshed on both sides, including the Greek heroes Achilles and Ajax, and the Trojan heroes Hector and Paris. This much for today. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe, everyone.